In this video, we'll show you how to resize your original image to fit other social media presets while keeping it looking great. For this example, I'm starting with an Instagram post template and resizing it for a Facebook post. Instagram posts are 1080 by 1080 pixels, while Facebook post landscapes are 940 by 788 pixels, a smaller and rectangular format. To use the resize feature in Canva, you must have a design open in the workspace. The resize button is located on the top gradient toolbar toward the left. Keep in mind that the resize option is a Canva Pro feature marked with a small crown symbol. When you click on resize, a drop-down menu appears, offering resizing suggestions, category browsing, and a feature called Magic Switch. For this example, select Facebook post. Clicking on the Resize this design button opens a preview of what your design will look like once it has been resized. Clicking the Copy and Resize button begins the process. After resizing, you might notice some differences between the original and the resized design. Depending on your template, you may need to make adjustments to perfect the layout. Let's take a quick look at Canva's Magic Switch feature, also found under Resize. This feature offers two options: Translate and Transform to Doc. Translate allows you to choose a language and apply one of 6 tone of voice options. Once your choices are made, click Translate to apply them. Transform to Doc takes your design and converts it into formats like summaries, blog posts, poems, song lyrics, and more. Simply select your preferences and watch it transform your design into a document. For those without Canva Pro, resizing is still possible. You will just have to do it the old-fashioned way by clicking Create a Design and finding the size you need, copying, pasting, and adjusting elements from the original into the new size to make it work. Sometimes the background layer in a design or template doesn't copy over. Click on the background layer in the design, copy it, and place into the new design. Be sure to take a look at Resize, Translate, and Transform to Doc in Canva. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.